What's up, guys? So today I'll be showing how to play If You Want Love by NF. It's a pretty simple song, good for beginners, so enjoy. Your index finger on the 5th fret, 6th string. Your middle finger also on the 5th fret, 3rd string. And then your pinky finger, 7th fret, 4th string. And you are going to play these 3 strings in this order: 6, 4, 3. And after each cycle, you're just going to lightly tap the strings with your thumb. Now the next position, your index finger on the 3rd fret, 6th string, your middle finger on the 4th fret, 3rd string, and your ring finger on the 4th string, 5th fret. Ooh, do. The same order string, 6, 4, 3. And then you're just gonna slide just your ring finger down to the 2nd fret on the 4th string. So again, same order, 6, 4, 3. And then you're gonna place your index finger on the 1st fret, 6th string, your middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then your ring finger on the 3rd fret, 4th string. And you're gonna play the exact same order, 6, 4, 3. And then it's gonna be the same thing throughout the whole song. So if you put it together, it's gonna sound like this. Hope this was helpful, and please comment on what I could improve on, and please let me know what I'm doing right, and yeah, have fun playing the song. Thank you for watching. I really hope this helped. Please hit that subscribe button. Hope you have fun playing the song.